So in the previous video, we modeled the gutter, but theoretically we would have a pipe or some way for the water to come down. And with this, we want to do a few things. And what I'm actually going to start off by doing is going to my gutter here, and I'm going to draw a line across somewhere in my gutter. And you think about the corner of your building. Normally you want the pipe to be in a little bit on the inside here. So I'm gonna find a spot here randomly and draw a line across my gutter. And then I'm going to use a circle command here. I'm just going to go to the center of this, and I'm going to do a 2-inch, maybe I'll do a 1.5 inch, just so it's a little smaller, like so. And what I'm going to do is then erase my extra lines here. No, I don't want to erase that. Erase my extra lines. And I'm actually going to leave the center line just for a second. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to select this and make it into a group. As you know, I love making groups. And then what I'm going to actually do now is I'm going to grab the center point of this, and I'm actually just going to go straight down. And this will make a little bit of sense in a minute, but we're just going to go blue all the way down to the ground like that. And I did not do that in my group. Let's hit Control Z, and let's edit our group here. And let's do that again. And typically a gutter is not going to go straight down, right? And so what I'm doing is I'm using the circle as a way of a path finding to find where that pipe needs to go. And then I'm going to draw a line over to my building like this. And we have some exterior finishes on here, so let's maybe go back in. Let's go back in 6 inches. And because our pipe's not going to come like directly down on the building, it's got to be in a little bit. And then I'm going to do the same thing that we did above here. And I'm going to create a circle. And we're going to find that offset that we had here, 6 inches. Let's make that same 1.5 inch offset, or 1.5 inch radius. And we're going to do the same thing that we did above. And we're going to actually draw a line up all the way. And essentially with this, what we're actually going to do is use the follow me. And before we do that though, we want our pipes to connect, right? So we don't want to pipe straight down and straight up like that. We need a way for them to connect. And so I'm going to create this box here. Let's maybe go down. 6 inches lower, and then we're going to go down on some sort of angle. It doesn't really matter what you do, and we'll do something like that. Maybe that's too much down. Maybe we'll go. Let's go halfway, 3 inches down, and then what we can do now is erase these lines. And so this is going to be our profile. So our pipe is going to go from up top all the way down to the ground like that. And you can adjust this a little bit after, but before we start, we just need to delete this inner part of the circle here. And we can do the same thing. We can go to Tools, Follow Me, and we can extract this down. Sorry, I need to turn my view here. See if I can see it all in one tool. Follow me. And then bring it all the way down to the ground like that. And click Close Group. And so now we have our pipe coming down nicely like that. And you can have it come down directly into the ground, or you could have some sort of spout that it kicks out. So there's some options with that. But that's how I would do that pipe for the gutter.